Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. So in this tutorial we are going to learn Fibonacci sequence. So you can watch my previous video if you don't know Fibonacci sequence. So simply it adds the previous two. Okay. So firstly we take the main function, that is public static void main string args. Okay. And now we are taking our function public static void. Let's take the function name abc, and here we have to think about the parameter. So firstly int n is fixed, that is we want the 5. Okay, we want the first 5 of the Fibonacci sequence, and then we are taking the a and b. So why we are taking this? So firstly we will see in that code. Mm, so firstly we have int n is equal to 5 given. Okay, and int a is equal to 0. We know that the first two are the 0 and 1 of Fibonacci sequence, and we have to give in input. And now, so firstly we want the print of 0, and we want the 1. Okay, and after that we are calling the function abc, and we want the first 5 sequence to be printed, but we already print the first two, so we want n minus 2 comma a comma b. Okay, now, so what should be the base condition? So base condition is simply if n equals to 0, so we have to return, otherwise we will take a variable sum, that's add a plus b and print c. Okay, it should be s, we have taken the s variable, so s, and after that we are calling the function, that is n minus 1, and a comma b means b become a, means b comma, and now b becomes s, we want s. सो सिंपल सा काम है। मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था अपने को सिर्फ एक काम करने का है, बाकी का पूरा काम रिकर्जन कर लेंगे। ठीक है, सो अपन ने बी को माइनस क्यों कॉल किया है। सो अभी अपने को नेक्स्ट वैल्यू होना, नेक्स्ट ए कोमा बी होना। सो अभी बी की वैल्यू ए में आ जाएंगी और एस की वैल्यू बी में आ जाएंगी, तो अपन ने डायरेक्ट बी कोमा एस ले लिया, तो फंक्शन में डायरेक्ट बी और एस चल जाएगा। इधर हम कोमा लगा सेमीकोलन, एंड नाउ लेट्स रन इट, सो वी विल गेट our output. So we will get 0 1 1 2 3. So I think it's clear that. Okay.